So check it out. Still working on my Lionel behemoths. This one's a 675 that I picked up at a local yard sale. Came with the whistle tender and also has the crane and a few other cars. I decided to put the crane on because it was part of the set. But I went with my rail sounds tender that I put a Pennsylvania shell on just because I like the sounds of it. And this one, I was able to rebuild the smoke unit. I bought one of those little kits from eBay. They're about $5. They have the little spring that goes inside where the little plunger is, and that keeps that plunger from sticking. And there's a little black plastic cap, and the smoke unit, I think, is a 27 ohm. But it works really good. And so I got that all installed, and it's running pretty good. I was also able to find some REA piggyback trailers. The REA is, my grandfather worked for the Railway Express Agency office in Corning in the Erie station. He was a shipping clerk, so kind of a little memorial to him. And I've got all my other piggybacks on there, and a little Pennsylvania caboose that was punched out of a Marx mold. So I thought we'd take it for a spin. You can see how it smokes. It does really good. We can't wait for him.
Okay, let's get out of his way and then start doing our work here.
As you see, the smoke unit works really good. And I use Mega Steam smoke fluid. Kick the camera up this time around and kind of follow the train around a little bit. And there's still a lot of smoke pouring out of that smoke unit. And the 675 for not running in a long time runs pretty good. I think there was a loose wire in the E unit that might have been shorting out against the frame. I'm pretty sure I got it now. And certainly the smoke unit's working really good. Those Lionel piggybacks look really good on those Marx CB and Q flat cars, the longer ones. And I also put new motor brushes in it. That usually takes care of all kinds of problems with the motor, especially if they run sluggish till they get warmed up. That's usually an indication that the brushes are bad. And we'll take it to one more lap. All right. Love those rail sounds tenders, and they work so well with these post-war. It just brings them back to life. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.